Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a brand new 2025 Ram 2500 HD. We have the 40-inch slim light bar as well as a 40-inch Pro, and I want to show you the difference. These are the factory low beams. These are the factory high beams. This is the 40-inch slim light bar. It's in a combo beam pattern, giving you light ahead as well as peripheral. And now I'm going to add the Pro so that way you can see. It's definitely a lot more lumens, and the lumens are directed right in front of you with larger reflectors, allowing to hit the wall a lot further. So turn off the Pro. So this is the slim, and now I'm going to turn on the Pro. You can see the additional light that you get ahead. So this is the Pro light bar. With a slim line, you get a little bit more of a peripheral view, but in terms of power, the Pro series can reach further. Thank you guys for watching. I know you guys are going to love the product, and please take a look at our step-by-step installation instructions so that way you can get the confidence that you need to install this product.